everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can use Fidelity Investment. So in order to use Fidelity Investment, make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can use it. Make sure to stick with us till the end. Now first of all, we'll begin by creating our account. So for that, open up a web browser. You can also use the application whichever is convenient for you. Try that. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now, on the web address bar, type in www.fidelity.com or investment.com. So it's going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go through the confirmation right on top and then click on I accept to fidelity.com. Now then, to begin with it, all you need to do is just tap on open an account located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you need to select the account type. So select it accordingly what you actually want to do it. Now you begin with the creation of your account. Now if you are already a customer of Fidelity Investment, then tap the yes button. If not, go ahead and select the no button. Now in order to begin with the procedure, go through all of these statements above and click the next button. Now then, to begin with, you'll have to provide in your details, that is your personal details, your social security number, your contact details, your address, all sort of things. Next, you'll need to move on with verifying your email address. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to verify your email address or the contact details. So a verification code or an SMS will be sent through an email or maybe SMS, and you'll have to provide in that. And after you've done that, lastly, you'll have to create a password and a username. Once you're done providing all of that, you'll be taken to the terms and condition where you need to go through all of the information. And if you're sure about the information they have provided, then tap the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully created an account on Fidelity Investment. And likewise, from then onwards, you can begin exploring Fidelity Investment. So in this way, you can use Fidelity Investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.